स्टार किड्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है टू परफॉर्म वेल, बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, तो आपने कभी ये प्रेशर मतलब एक्सपीरियंस किया है आपके ऊपर?
आई डेफिनेटली फील कि प्रेशर है और इट्स राइटली सो। ऐसे ही नाम पे काम मिलेगा क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होता है। आई हैव बिन वर्किंग वेरी हार्ड फॉर अ रियली लॉन्ग टाइम, countless auditions and countless rejections later to get these opportunities.
So when you decided to join the industry, so what was the advice given by your parents, as a parent and as an actor themselves, and also your brother?
The advice that I got was
Yes.
don't do this. Don't join the industry. And I swear to God, till today, we constantly have these jokes at home because this world is, it's hard. You know, it's a very difficult space to be in.
So you have done OTT and now this is your film. Which is the more fun working with, on a OTT or in film? And what is the difference according to you?
I don't have too much experience. You know, I'm just excited to be on a set. I don't think that I look at it as, oh, ये OTT है, oh, ये film है, or I've done a Telugu film, so ये, you know, different language. For me, it's just the excitement to be on a set at that point of time.
One misconception people have for a star kid that you don't believe in.
That we are just handed opportunities. I don't think that happens for everyone. It hasn't happened for me. Hi, this is Avantika and you are watching me only on Bollywood Hungama.
Hello everyone, welcome to Bollywood Hangama. This is Mrunal and today we have Avantika Dasani with us. Hi Avantika.
Hello.
How are you?
Very good. Thank you for having me.
So I watched your film's trailer. So this is your debut film, right?
Correct.
Yeah. So in trailer you have this character. It's very desi character. You are playing some UP and Lucknowi accent. So how difficult was it for you to adapt in the character and the style?
You know, it was a real learning process because obviously in terms of life experience, it's so different from my background where I come from and things like that. And especially, I've done Mithya before. But again, Mithya was a very, very different space, a very different character, look, feel, thought process, everything like that. So getting into the skin of Shabbo in Galiyon Mein was a process. It's a small film, so we didn't have too much time. We didn't have too much, you know, leniency of things. But I really credit three very important people for this. One is Nepal, so my dialect coach, my director Avinash Das, and हमारी फिल्म के राइटर जो है पुनर्वसु, because three of them would constantly be guiding me on the lehza, you know, the way the Lucknowi accent, and also specifically for Shabbo. आप वो रीजन में जाओगे तो हर एक जन का अलग स्पेस और अलग एक्सेंट है और इको स्टेटस के हिसाब से भी एक अलग यू नो वे ऑफ स्पीकिंग होता है. सो आई थिंक द थ्री ऑफ देम रियली गाइडेड मी विद दैट. और हमारी जो शूट थी लखनऊ के लाइव लोकेशंस पे थी. सो जो गली की, वी एक्चुअली शॉट इन द गलीज ऑफ लखनऊ. तो उधर के जो यू नो द चाचीज वुड बी सिटिंग देयर, आई वुड स्पेंड टाइम विद देम. उनके साथ बैठती थी एंड आस्क देम कि ठीक है, अगर आपको ये बोलना था तो आप कैसे बोलते. एंड यू नो जस्ट काइंड ऑफ पिक अप फ्रॉम देयर कॉन्वर्जेशंस. एंड यू नो वी यूज सम वर्ड्स एंड सम यू नो द वे ऑफ, जैसे आपने ट्रेलर में देखा होगा कंटाप एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स जो हम लोग ने ऐड किया.
लखनवी गर्ल लग रही है उसमें.
थैंक यू. तो वही आई थिंक वी वर जस्ट रियली ट्राइंग कि टू नॉट गो टू caricaturish, make sure that you stay very real to someone who's from there, lives there, born and brought up there, and still be able to get it right.
Yeah. सो ट्रेलर में ये मूवी जो है एक लव स्टोरी है, उसका एंगल है एंड अ बिट ऑफ सोशल मैसेज. तो मतलब इस मूवी का फ्लेवर क्या है ओवरऑल आपके हिसाब से?
सही पकड़ा है. इट्स अ मिक्स ऑफ एवरीथिंग. इट्स अ सोशियो ड्रामा. इट्स ऑल्सो अ वेरी endearing young romance that's budding. It's also something which I was excited about because I feel like we don't see as much young innocent love on screen anymore.
Yeah.
So when I read this script, I was excited about, having that. And with Vivian and I, always wanted to have that ki your first love, and ki लोगों के सामने you'll be scared, you'll be nervous, you won't let anyone else know it. It's you do it very hiding. All of those things we wanted to get that, and especially for my character who has this sort of bound. There are, when you watch the film,
Okay.
there are a lot of reasons as to why she's a little hesitant about the whole situation, about him, where she's coming from. So to have that hesitancy in that love story, which is based on the socio-drama bit of the story. So flavor wise सब है.
ओके सो ऐसे होता है कि स्टार किड्स पे बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है टू परफॉर्म वेल, बहुत रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी होती है, तो आपने कभी ये प्रेशर मतलब एक्सपीरियंस किया है आपके ऊपर?
I definitely feel कि प्रेशर है, और it's rightly so, because obviously you're getting an opportunity which lakhs of people in India really want and work hard and strive for, and you're getting to have those opportunities. Not to say that मतलब आपको ऐसे ही नाम पे काम मिलेगा, क्योंकि ऐसा नहीं होता है. I've been working very hard for a really long time, countless auditions and countless rejections later to get these opportunities. But I feel that pressure is also a pressure that I personally, I'll talk about myself rather than anybody else, is that I take it because I love my craft and I want to do well. So you have that pressure कि no yeah, you want to get it right. अगर आपको एक opportunity मिल रही है, because you audition so much, you get so much rejection, so when you get that chance, you want to make sure you do a good job. At least try. Try to do a good job. और एक फिल्म में तो इतना कोलैबोरेटिव एफर्ट होता है. एक एडिटर होता है, डायरेक्टर होता है, आर्ट होता है, मेकअप, स्टोरी, इतने सारी चीज़ें होती हैं दैट कम टुगेदर टू गिव यू द फाइनल प्रोडक्ट. सो इट्स never just your win or just your loss.
So when you decided to join the industry, so what was the advice given by your parents, as a parent and as an actor themselves, and also your brother?
The advice that I got was,
Yes.
don't do this. Don't join the industry. And I swear to God, till today, we constantly have these jokes at home, because this world it's hard. It's a very difficult space to be in. And as there's ups and downs in any industry and any work that you do. But I feel like the two things. One is that you are the product and you are the service, so it's very personal. All the hits and losses, everything feel very, very personal to you. The highs are very high, the lows are very low. So as a parent and as an elder brother, the thing is, you don't want someone who's close to you to go through the emotional turmoil. They're just like, कुछ भी और कर ले भाई, कुछ भी और कर ले, at least you'll be happy, at least you will have a more stable life. But at the end of the day, it was also the idea that do what you're passionate about. And it took me a long time to get into acting also, because I was just like, I need to be sure if I want to do this. If I'm ready to give it my 100%, wherever and whatever I'm doing, I want to be able to give it my 100%. So only when I'd done enough workshops, trained, and I said, I really love this. I really want to at least give it a shot.
तो ये हमेशा से था that you want to be an actor, as you are from a business background. So do you wanted to pursue business or acting ही था?
I still want to pursue business. I don't think that I need to be limited. I think we live in a very exciting time where as individuals, all of us don't have to be limited to मतलब मैं actor ही हूँ और मैं कोई भी profession मैं सिर्फ ये करती हूँ. But today you look at people who are also having so many side hustles, as we call them, but multiple streams of profession of working and doing things like that. And I see myself as someone like that. I'm someone who needs my hand in all the cookie jars.
Okay.
But no, I didn't initially think about it. I studied business and marketing in London. I worked in the corporate spaces. मैंने नौकरी और Indeed Indeed.com से मेरे jobs भी apply किए and got jobs from them. So I was someone who literally wanted to pursue that. And then somewhere down the line, I wasn't very happy with what I was doing, and I started doing workshops. Because my brother had done a lot of them, so he's like, "Why don't you do some of them just to understand who you are?" Because the process of acting is a lot about understanding yourself, your emotions, your journey, and rediscovering yourself as a human being. So he said, do that. Don't have to think about it as an acting class. Go there to understand who you are and what you feel that you're missing in life right now. वो करते करते I fell in love with the process because I was just like, the chance to discover a person and understand who they are is such an interesting thing, and you get to do that with every character. Is understand a new person and who they are and where they come from and their relationships and their background. And I was like, if I can get to do this and call it work, I was like, that's so fun.
Okay. So you have done OTT and now this is your film. Which is the more fun working with, on a OTT or in film? And what is the difference according to you?
I think I've done Mithya season 1, season 2 and this. So I don't have too much experience. I'm just excited to be on a set. I don't think that I look at it as, oh, ye OTT hai, oh, ye film hai. Or I've done a Telugu film, so ye, different language. For me, it's just the excitement to be on a set at that point of time. And you come as an actor that, like I said, you have to prepare your character, you have to understand your character. वो आप OTT कर रहे हो, आप वेब सीरीज कर रहे हो, आप फिल्म कर रहे हो, आप थिएटर कर रहे हो, आप कुछ भी कर रहे हो, वो तो आप करोगे. So I think the process wise, it's the same.
So what do you think the one misconception people have for a star kid that you don't believe in?
That we are just handed opportunities. I don't think that happens for everyone. It hasn't happened for me. I can't tell you, I don't have a count of the amount of auditions I've given, the amount of rejections I've faced. And it's a process that's ongoing, that doesn't end. So I think the idea that, one after the other, you'll just get offers like that, वो ऐसे नहीं होता है. At least not for me, not for a lot of people that I know. Yes, it does happen, and there are situations like that, but that's not the case.
What is your definition of a successful actor?
Honestly, I think everyone has their own definition for that. It's a very individualistic, a very subjective thing. But for me, when I'm on set, a successful actor will be when my DOP and my director are happy with what I'm doing. When my co-actor feels that I'm giving them enough for them to perform well. I think that would make me a successful actor.
And you're not that, out there on social media and being papped every day. So is it something that overwhelms you, or do you think that social media presence is important for people to get opportunities?
I think yes and yes to both.
Okay.
I am a lot more private in my life, and I don't like it. I like to have that distinction of work and personal life. But yes, like you're saying, it also being more out there gives you more opportunity, gets you more seen. And me and my brother both really have this problem where we're constantly like trying to juggle and trying to understand how we can manage both. Not always doing our best at that, but I think it's a process, and you learn along the way.
Which is the dream director you want to work with, and any specific genre you want to explore?
It's a long list, yeah. I know
Anyone.
it's not one. I think there's so many that I would love to work with. I think I really love Imtiaz Ali. I think the kind of work that he does, the kind of stories that he tells, his characters, I think, are so beautifully jaded and real, just as humans are. Okay, so if I have to name one, I'm going to name Imtiaz Ali right
And
now.
a genre, we assume it's love story with
No,
a sad ending.
genre-wise, anything and everything, really.
Okay.
I'm new, I'm young, I'm like, I've just started. I feel like there's so much to explore. मैंने एक thriller किया है, अब romance drama कर रही हूँ. So I think the limitations are unseen to me, and sky's the limit.
Have you watched Maine Pyar Kiya when it was re-released? Because I watched it.
I did right now in the re-release. No, I didn't
Yeah.
watch it. I didn't honestly. I'm feeling really bad about this, but I didn't watch it at that point of time. I've seen it a lot of times as a kid, but no, I didn't unfortunately see it during the re-release.
Have you met Salman Khan?
Yes, in life, yes,
Yeah,
I have.
in
Yeah,
life.
yeah. I haven't met him recently, but yeah, I have met him.
Okay.
He's wonderful. He really is. Hi, this is Avantika, and you are watching me only on Bollywood Hangama.